So for those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode you can see we've got this absolutely beautiful McLaren MP4-12C in with us. This is in for a one-stage machine polish for now. In the coming months we will have it in for a proper ceramic coating, but the guy's taking it out for the weekend and he wants it looking nice, so we'll just give it a quick breeze over with some compound with a polymer sealant in. Just give it a nice shine, get rid of a lot of the swirl marks. I'd probably say in terms of correction, we've probably actually managed a 75% correction on this with the polish, which is quite impressive to be honest with you, because it was a pretty bad nick in terms of swirl marks. But yeah, beautiful car, it's been a pleasure. It's only a quick job, so enjoy the video and don't forget to like and subscribe.